Good morning, my dear students. Today, I am going to discuss the questions under the hydrogen, water, and hydrogen peroxide unit. I am going to discuss NEET questions. I am Dr.R.G, Professor of Chemistry, who is taking class for you. First, what are the topic you have to study under this chapter? So it is given very clearly hydrogen, but actually it is given in the unit is hydrogen. But if you go in detail, you have to study hydrogen, study water, study hydrogen peroxide. Under hydrogen, you have to study protium, that is the atomic number 1, mass number 1, deuterium, tritium, isotopes, preparation, properties, uses. Coming for water, you have to study ordinary water and a heavy water, deuterated water. Preparation, properties, and you have to study. And also, the hardness of water we have to study additionally. Coming for the third one, hydrogen peroxide, preparation, properties, and uses of hydrogen peroxide we have to study. This is the unit. Under this you have to concentrate. Okay, let me go for the question number 1. NEET 2016, this question was asked under this unit. Let me read the question carefully, please follow. Which of the following statement about hydrogen is incorrect? Please follow. Correct or incorrect, you should have it in mind, because normally students will do mistake only here. So one among the following statement is not correct, incorrect. Let us say, read. A. Hydrogen never acts as a cation in ionic solids. Hydronium ion H3O plus exists freely in solution. C. Dihydrogen, that is H2, does act as a reducing agent. D. Hydrogen has 3 isotopes, of which tritium is most common. So these are the 4 options given here under this question, NEET 16. Kindly follow. This question is clearly under hydrogen. Clearly under hydrogen of hydrogen unit. Okay. So let me go for the discussion. Kindly follow. Here no extra knowledge is required, calculation is required, only understanding of theory. Direct questions. Kindly follow. Among the 4 statements, A. Hydrogen never acts as a cation in ionic solids. Whenever you say an ionic solid means it will be like this way. Sodium chloride, ionic salt, like that. In the ionic salt, definitely there will be a base and acid will be neutralized. So there is definitely hydrogen will not be there. So hydrogen will never act as a cation. It is correct. Hydronium ion H3O plus exists freely in solution. It is also true, because whenever water is present, it will combine with H plus to form hydrogen H3O plus. It is also correct. Dihydrogen does act as a reducing agent. It is also correct, because, say for example, hardening of oil. That is, oil that we are getting converted into vanaspati solid by passing hydrogen gas in presence of nickel. So it is acting as a reducing agent. Very, very clear idea. It is also correct. So what it is not correct? Hydrogen has 3 isotopes. What are they? Isotopes are H1, 1 protium. The next one be deuterium, I can say this is 1, this is 2, tritium 1, this is 3. Kindly follow. 3 isotopes. Hydrogen has 3 isotopes, of which tritium is most common. This is not correct because H1 is common. 1H1, that is protium, is common. Deuterium tritium is not common. Please follow. This is very, very clear. Direct question, you can easily answer. Let me go for the question number 2. This question was asked under the NEET 18. Again, so the unit, it is the hydrogen unit, specifically under hydrogen. Kindly follow. Specifically under hydrogen. Question is, conversion of orthohydrogen into parahydrogen. So we must know what is orthohydrogen, what is parahydrogen, we must know. So under this it is asked, A, 0, kindly follow, the conversion ortho into parahydrogen is 0 order or fractional order, first order, second order. It is 0 order, fractional order, first order, second order. Kindly follow. So let me explain what is orthohydrogen, what is parahydrogen, then I will come for the order. Actually, you can bring this under this hydrogen as well as you can go to the even the kinetics also, this question can be added. So let me explain now. Kindly follow, my dear students. So this hydrogen was first discovered by Henry Cavendish. Please follow. This is commonly asked. Henry Cavendish. So it was observed it exists in 2 forms, namely orthohydrogen with parallel spins. Please follow. Orthohydrogen with parallel spins. Please follow. And parahydrogen with anti-parallel spin. Anti-parallel spins. This is the difference between these two. Kindly follow. So it was discovered by Henry Cavendish actually. So orthohydrogen means 2 pins are parallel. In parahydrogen they are anti-parallel. The another important information I want to give, the ratio of orthohydrogen and parahydrogen at room temperature is 3:1 ratio. Please note, question can be also asked. So which is here? So orthohydrogen is 3 and parahydrogen is 1. That is the ratio at room temperature. Another important thing is parahydrogen is more stable than orthohydrogen because the spins are opposite, the forces are balancing. Okay, now we will come for the questions. So conversion of orthohydrogen into parahydrogen is A, 0 order, B, fractional order, first order, second order. Correct answer is fractional order. What is meant by fractional? Fractional means it may be 0.5, it may be 1.5, it may be 2.5, like that. So here the value it is 1.5, fractional order. So you must know first what is order. Order is, from the stoichiometry you cannot observe the order. Please follow. Molecularity you can, but order you cannot determine. Order can be determined from only experimental method. There are graphical methods. So many methods are there. So only experimentally we can determine. So by the experiment it was proved, it is having 1.5 is the correct answer for fractional order. It is fractional order. Kindly follow. Let me go for question 3 now. The method used more suitably, please understand, more suitably. Actually, in the original question paper, this word is missing. Suitably is missing. Because if without suitably, the question will be wrong. The method used more suitably to remove temporary hardness of water is A. Ion exchange method, B. Synthetic resin method, C. Colgan's method, and D. Clark's method. Please follow. The first three method, ion exchange, synthetic resin, Colgan method, is common both for temporary hardness and permanent hardness. Please memorize, my dear students. So the Clark method is suitable only for temporary hardness. So let me go for. So this question was asked under the water, specifically under hardness of water. So let me explain the basic theory behind, then I will come for the answer. When you say water, we will say hard and soft water. What is meant by hard? What is meant by soft? Hard water is one which does not give lather with soap. Does not give lather with soap. Any hard water is one which does not give lather with soap. Whereas soft water is one which gives lather with soap easily. So this is the main difference between hard and soft water. But now the question is asked only under the hardness of water, specifically temporary hardness. Okay. Now which is responsible for hardness? Let me say the presence of calcium and magnesium salts in the form of hydrogen carbonate or bicarbonate, hydrogen carbonate, chloride and sulfates in water makes water hard. Please follow. So calcium and magnesium salt of hydrogen, that is calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate are responsible for temporary hardness. Calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate are responsible for permanent hardness. Please have clear idea. So let me go for the next one. So as I informed you, hardness I am classifying into two. One is temporary, another is permanent. So what is the temporary hardness? Because we are interested only temporary. Question is asked temporary. So let me concentrate only on temporary hardness. Hardness of water due to the presence of bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium is called temporary hardness. So in the water, calcium bicarbonate is present or calcium magnesium bicarbonate is present. That is due to temporary hardness. Now, how to remove this temporary hardness? That is called softening of temporary hardness. Temporary hardness can be removed by a number of methods. Please follow. 1. Boiling method. 2. Clark's method. Action of washing soda. Colgan process. Ion exchange method. So many methods are available for temporary hardness. Now, let me come for the question now. Under the question, what is the question? Just see here. The method used more suitably to remove temporary hardness of water is, 4 options are given. I told you among these, the 3 is common in both temporary as well as permanent. These 3 methods are used. Only Clark method is suitable for temporary hardness. So we will concentrate only Clark's method. Kindly follow. What is Clark's method? Let me explain. In this method, by adding calculated quantity of calcium hydroxide, please follow, calcium hydroxide, the temporary hardness due to soluble bicarbonates are converted into, that is, insoluble carbonates. Because when it is present in the water in the soluble form, it is giving the temporary hardness. When you convert bicarbonate into carbonate, which is soft, which is settled at the bottom in the form of precipitate, we can remove. Kindly see the stoichiometry of the equation. So this is the calcium bicarbonate. I am heating with calcium hydroxide. When I heat with the calcium hydroxide, what is happening? I am getting calcium carbonate. It is a precipitate. You know the convention, arrow pointing downward, precipitate, water is there. So we can, when you filter calcium carbonate, the water will be getting softened. So temporary hardness we can easily remove by heating with calcium hydroxide. So this method is called Clark's method. Same way, the magnesium bicarbonate also, if you treat with calcium hydroxide, you are getting calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate and water. See what is the main difference? If you use calcium hydroxide with the calcium carbonate, only calcium carbonate is formed. Please follow. If you use magnesium bicarbonate, there are two salts, calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate are formed, so plus water. So anyway, both ways, the precipitate of calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate, if we remove from water by filtration, water will be becoming softness. So this is the answer. So now let me come for the option. So the method used more suitably to remove temporary hardness of water is A. Ion exchange method, B. Synthetic maturation method, Colgan's method, and Clark's method. So Clark's method is the correct answer. That is by heating with calcium hydroxide. Please follow. So let me go for the next question. It's an interesting question. Question number 4, asked in 2020. So this is actually 4 questions. They are combining in a single question. They can also single question. But the nearly 5 to 10 questions will be of this type. Not only in chemistry but also physics and other portions. So here what they are giving 2 columns in the question. Column 1, the left side, they are given column 1, this is right side column 2. That means they are given A, B, C, D, and right side 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we have to do, match the following and identify the correct option. Please follow. So A, calcium monoxide gas plus H2 gas. In the opposite, it is given 1, magnesium bicarbonate plus calcium bicarbonate. B, temporary hardness of water. And 2, statement, then an electron deficient hydride. 3, C, B2H2, that is diborane, synthesis gases. And D, hydrogen peroxide, it is non-planar. So this is again direct question. But only thing you must understand. Please follow. So how we have to identify the answer? So this is only from memory you have to give answer. There is no theoretical, no calculation. And most of the inorganic questions are only the memory oriented. So let me give example. Kindly follow. COH2 is normally called Synthon gases. It is actually A3. Kindly follow. 3 is the Synthon gases, or it is called water gas. Number 2, just now we have discussed temporary hardness of water. It is due to 1, because magnesium bicarbonate and calcium bicarbonate are responsible for temporary hardness. Over. Now with these 2 you can find out the answer. Let me go one more. C, borane. See, actually is a dimer. Originally is monomer is BH3. Kindly follow. In the BH3, actually if you go for the electronic configuration of boron, it is 2s2 2p1. 2s2 2p1. Only 3 electron. So when you go for the electronic configuration, boron, I can write boron, what way? B, 1 electron, 1 electron hydrogen, 1 electron, 1 electron hydrogen, 1 electron, 1 electron hydrogen. That means you will get only, kindly follow, 6 electron in the outermost. According to Ogden theory in the chemical bonding, to be more stable, central atom should have the 8 electron in the outermost. So this is deviating Ogden rule. That's why it is dimerizing in the form of B2H6. So question is, kindly follow. So A I have already given, it is 1. B I have given already, it is 2. C, it is an electron deficient. This is 2. This is 2. This is 3. Synthon is 3. Kindly follow. Sorry. This is 1. Just a minute. Please follow. The A is synthon gas 3. Please follow. Temporary hardness, it is 1. Boron, it is electron deficient hydride, it is 2. And finally, hydrogen peroxide, it is non-planar, it is 4. See, we have identified the correct answer. So now what we have given, they will give option. You have to keep it in mind. What way? That this you have to just keep in your rough sheet. Then you have to be only with your answer, then you can easily identify. Kindly follow here. I already explained the action. A equal to 3, B equal to 1, C equal to 2, and D equal to 4. Now the correct answer, if you see, the answer will be given like this. So 3 is the correct answer. So A equal to 3, B equal to 1, C equal to 2, D equal to 4. So if you compare the question, you can very easily understand. So only this type of question, nearly 5 to 10 questions will be asked. 4 questions they will combine in single question. Please follow. The next question. What is the volume strength of 1.6 NH2O2 solution? This is normally, often this question is asked in all entrance exam, IIT, NEET, etc. Option A 3 liters, B 6 liters, C 9 liters, D 12 liters. Okay, so this question was asked under the unit hydrogen, specifically hydrogen peroxide. Let me explain, kindly follow me. So this understanding is most important. Please follow. So, commonly available solution of hydrogen peroxide generally marketed as 10 volumes, 20 volumes and 30 volumes. What is the meaning of this? So let me explain, kindly follow. The stoichiometry of the equation of decomposition of hydrogen peroxide, 2 moles of hydrogen peroxide decomposes to produce 2 moles of water and oxygen 1 mole. So according to mole concept, I know already, mole can be expressed by 3 ways. Kindly follow. What way? If it is mass, molar mass. If it is particle, molar, that is Avogadro number. If it is a gas, volume, 22.4 liters. Kindly follow. So this is the important information mole concept. So here I can apply here. So in the case of hydrogen peroxide, if you go for calculate molecular weight, the oxygen is 32 plus 2, 34. 2 moles, 2 that is 34. So 2 into 34, it is 68 gram molecular weight. 2 moles weight is molecular, 68 gram. Coming for water, 18 is water, 2 into 18, 36 gram. Oxygen, so we are expressing in terms of liter, 22.4 liter according to mole concept. Oxygen is a gas. So 22.4 liters, 1 mole, it is producing any gas according to Avogadro hypothesis, Avogadro's law. Equal volumes of all gases contain equal number of molecules. This is the law. So this is 22.4 liters. So when I heat 2 moles of hydrogen peroxide or 68 grams of hydrogen peroxide, I will get 36 grams of water and into 22.4 liters of oxygen or simply 32 grams of oxygen in terms of gram. But here, since I am going to speak about volume of oxygen, I will speak later in terms of liter. So let me come now. Let me give some more information. Please understand this. Then the question will be very, very easy. So we know 22,000, that is 22.4 liters, I am writing in the form of ml. 22.4 ml of oxygen gas is produced from how much gram, how many gram? 68 grams of hydrogen peroxide. Please follow, this is the stoichiometry. So, I want to find out for 20 volumes. So, kindly follow 22 ml, 22,400 ml to produce a required quantity is 68 gram. So, kindly follow. Suppose I want to produce 22,400 ml of O2, I need 68 gram. So I want to only 20 ml. Kindly follow. 20 volumes, I can say. 20 volumes of this one. So 20 volume means what I will write now? 68 divided by 22,400 into 20. So if I calculate this value, answer is 0.06 gram. Kindly follow. What is the meaning of this? That's 1 ml of 20 volumes, 1 ml of 20 volumes of hydrogen peroxide is containing 0.06 gram. So 1 liter means 1000 ml. So in 1000 ml, how much? Multiplied by 1000, you will get 60 gram. So what now we are coming to the final conclusion. 20 volumes of 1 liter of hydrogen peroxide containing 60 gram. So this is the marketed usual. So 20 means 60, 10 means 30, 30 means 90. Very, very easily you can understand. Please follow. This is the basic concept involved in hydrogen peroxide decomposition. It is based on the volumes of oxygen liberated we are giving. So volumes we are giving in the form of grams of hydrogen peroxide present. Please follow. Okay, right. That is based on volumes of oxygen. Kindly follow. So what will come for the question now? Question is, what is the volume strength of the volume they are asking. Strength they have given, that is the normality they have given 1.6. They are asking V. So there should be a relationship. Kindly follow. A simple relationship is there. Please memorize this, my dear student. Please memorize. So there is a factor called 5.6. That is experimentally it was proved. That is, so this you have to memorize. What is normality? Strength equal to volume divided by 5.6. Or I can say volume equal to N into 5.6. So what is volume? It is given 1.6 into 5.6. Kindly follow. Answer is 9 liters. So 9 liters of oxygen will be containing the strength of 1.n normality. Please follow. Very, very easy. So this factor you have to memorize. Finally follow, my dear students. 5.6. So instead of that, if they are asking volume, simply the strength will be given, you can calculate volume. If volume is given, you can calculate the strength. Please follow. Only these two type of questions will be asked in hydrogen peroxide. So the correct answer is, what is the volume strength of 1.6 normal hydrogen peroxide solution is C is the correct answer. That is 9 liters is the correct answer. I hope I have come to the conclusion, because only 5 questions are asked for the last 6 years. So I can stop here. My dear students, thank you very much for the kind cooperation you have giving to me. And if you are a newcomer for my channel NEET Chemistry by Dr.R.G, so I request you kindly click subscribe button and share with your friends. So one important information I want to convey. During the Corona period, 2 years I was simply sitting in the home. So I was thinking of to help the poor society. India is a poor country. More than 80% of people are poor people, and students are poor students. So as a chemist, I want to help for these students chemistry. So that's why I started the channel. So in this channel, I have taken syllabus of all, that is including IIT, CBSE, Samachir, Tamil Nadu, MSET, Andhra, and IAC and IIT also. Also, BSc syllabus I am keeping as a guideline. So without omitting anything, I ordered systematically. That's why my portions, topics will be elaborate. So nobody will find fault with me. That is, IIT people will not say that my syllabus is omitted. CBSE people will not say my chapter is omitted. ISC they will not say. Same way, Samachir they will not say. So I have done such that. And also, in order to help 8th, 9th and 10th students also to help, I have taken the chapter given these books, I have taken as such all the chapters, and I have brought under the first unit basic concept. I have everything I kept in the basic concept. So in my basic concept, actually in the book, +1 book, if you see, the Samachir, 15 pages are there, 16 or even CBSE. 15 pages are there. But I have given 20 hours lesson I have given. Please understand. So this news information kindly follow. So I have completed entire syllabus. Starting from +1, +2 I have completed. 2 months back I started. Now I am discussing the NEET questions. That is, each unit wise, whatever question asked for the last 6 years, I am discussing. Kindly follow. 1916, it was 2016 it was started. 2021 up to we are discussing. After this, I am going to discuss IIT. I am going to discuss AIMS. I am going to discuss MSET Andhra and AIPMT. So minimum it will take 10 to 1 year, 10 months or 1 year it will take for me to complete. So this is just for you, the poor people of India should get the benefit, and appropriate government of India, all the state government also they can take action, and this they can to take this news information to all their students, so all them enjoy, let them get benefited. God bless you. So okay, now I will have one more information for other students studying +1, +2 and +2 completed students. My dear students, for you I have a good news. I was running a coaching center, Victory Coaching Center in Pondicherry for the last 20 years. I am running. In that Victory Coaching Center, we have a website, Victory.S. Please follow, Victory.S. The interesting information is, for the last 20 years, we have a lot of achievement from the beginning. Since we are systematic and hardworking, we had good professors, so we have got a very good achievement. In 2000, now first achievement I want to convey, in 2003, R. Srinivasa Raghavan from Patrick School came All India first rank in JIPMER. Actually, we have conducted class from 9th, 10th, 11th. So he came first, All India first. At that time, NEET Common Entrance Examination was not there. So another important information is the nearly that particular year, out of 25 seats in JIPMER, 20 seats we have taken. Please follow. From Pondicherry, I have taken 20 seats. This is an interesting. Also, another important information I want to convey, minimum 10, maximum 20 students regularly every year we are sending to JIPMA through Vetri Coaching Center. Or the year-wise, if you go for our home page, year-wise photograph, name and school, everything will be given. You can see, verify. And also another most important achievement, out of 20 years, 21 years, except 1 or 2 years, all the remaining years, only the student of Vetri got Pondicherry first rank. Pondicherry first rank. It is beyond doubt, proved experimentally, photograph is given in the home page, kindly verify. So this is our achievement, kindly follow. So the another important feature for students, you are going for the NEET examination, probably for the coming academic year, it is containing 200 video lesson and 200 unit test. Please follow. So we have taken such a systematic manner. So we have covered all the syllabus together in this combining syllabus. We have taken, and we have the professors of the PhD degree and 20 to 30 years of experience in IIT and NEET coaching, that is a medical coaching, handle the classes. While you are viewing the lesson, video lesson, full of notes will be there, abstract will be there. That abstract you can, if you want to take, please touch, video will stop, you can take like your YouTube. Then it will move. If you touch again, it will move. So this facility is not available in other online coaching center. Other online leading coaching center, please follow. The number 2, the senior most professor handle, so you can feel home like that, a class like atmosphere. Board is there, professor will be there, writing on the board, everything you can see. So, the next one. It is, we have in the Vetri test, 200 unit tests are given. So why we are giving unit wise? Again, actually, say for example, in chemistry, we have 14 units in first year, 16 units in second year, totally 30 units. So 30 means we are giving 30 into 2, that is 60 unit test we are giving. So how I have framed this, the unit test, because why I am saying I am the owner, I am the faculty. That's why I am saying this. So I have only framed these questions by taking questions from IIT, 20 years question papers of IIT, AIMS, AFMC, AAPMT, MSET Andhra, Delhi, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry. Only these questions are asked, it is framed in the 200 unit test. So what is the advantage? We have observed for the last 6 years, nearly 75 to 80 questions are same questions are repeated from the question bank. Same. That means Vetri Tata is giving you bonus 320 marks to you. So if you are a very good student, you can get 300 plus, you will be going for 650 to 700 all India rank you will get. Automatically you will become a doctor. This is the advantage. So let me give one more important information, then I conclude. That is regarding the test. So our test is entirely different from other online coaching, leading coaching in India. Please compare our test, because the free version is also there in the website, Vetri.us. You go and verify yourself. What is there? There is a menu called, if you go for a site and if you click for the test, all the test list will be there. So the option is, if you go for now with the hydrogen, if I click hydrogen, a window will open. In the window it will say, this unit contains 45 questions. All questions carries equal 4 marks. If for correct answer 4 marks awarded, wrong answer management will be awarded. Are you ready? It will ask. Then keep your notebook for rough sheet and pen for rough work. Then click the OK. then immediately a window will open. You can see the question number 1, you can see option A, option B, option C, option D, you can see. Below that there is the clock is running. That also you can see. And below there is menu. 3 menus are there. Center is complete. Right is next. Left is reverse. And below of all, there is 1 to 45. Number will be there in yellow color. Number will be there in yellow color. What is the advantage? This facility is not available in any online. So, you can adjust time by comparing. This is the most important to achieve your goal. So, suppose you are reading the question number 1. And if you observe that A is the correct answer, you click A. Immediately what will happen? A magic will happen. That is, the question number 1 in yellow color will change into green color. Question number 2 will change into blue color. All other questions will be yellow color. That means question 1 you have attended. Question 2 you have to attend. The remaining questions you have to attend in future. So this is the meaning of this. So suppose out of 45 minutes, after 20 minutes, you are doing automatically 20 minutes. I have already given in all my theory discussion, I have given how to approach the real questions. So there are 3 steps you have to follow. Step 1 is first only known question you have to attend. 100% known. Throughout, starting from 1 to 45. If you are going for all the government of the online, the NEET question paper of Government of India, 200 questions will be there. So 1 to 200, you go for all known questions. Step 1. Step 2, any difficulty theory questions, think twice, thrice, and if it to come to the conclusion it is worth to 80% may be correct, you put a tick mark. If it is less than 40%, no, don't click the questions. And third step, go to the problem, physics and chemistry. Physics, just 1/3, the half of the question will be problem. Chemistry, 1/3 will be problem. In the case of problem, use suitable formula, suitable units, multiply that, you do calculation, find out, and your answer and the option in the answer is present in this. If they are same, put a tick mark. Otherwise, you verify your calculation and check. If it is not coinciding, don't click the answer. So this is the 3-step follow. So after completion, you click complete. Please follow. One most important information, it is not necessary you have to complete or you have to attend all the 200 questions in the examination, NEET examination. It is not necessary. They have given already 5 choice. So 45 means only known. So if you attend any wrong, -1 mark, you are losing. That is most. So just 1 mark, your rank will go in 1,000. Go down. So you should be very careful. So then come to our part. When I click complete, immediately in the window, I have mark. Say for example, 140 by 180 I am getting. Kindly follow. That means I can come to the conclusion 40 marks I am losing. It may be either due to 10 questions wrong or some question wrong, some question correct, like this, adjusting. So what is the facility provided here? This is not available in other online coaching. There is a menu called review menu. Review. When you click review, a window will open. A window will open. Kindly follow. In the window, kindly follow, question 1 will be there. You can see A, B, C, D. And after D, correct answer they have given in yellow color. The correct answer may be A, maybe B, maybe C, maybe D. Any one will be correct. That correct will be again indicated here. Let us assume D. So D again will be here. Now your answer A will be in blue color. Please follow. This is in yellow color. So what is the advantage? You can compare yourself, assess yourself, your question is correct or wrong. Whether you have done a mistake or not. If both blue and yellow are same answer, right. If it is different, your answer is wrong. Easy. Your answer is wrong, then you can automatically go right where you have done mistake. Then if you are not able to find out, below there is video solution. Click that video solution. Again, video solution is not available in any other online coaching. Only they are giving a word or one line, two line typed matter without giving any explanation. But here, I am explaining questions same way. Each and every question they will explain what topic, what is the subtopic, what formula you have to use, what is the tricks you have to follow. Everything will be discussed. So 5 to 15 minutes, the professor with the doctorate degree and teaching experience 20 to 30 years will take class. Kindly follow. In other online coaching, you can see you cannot have such a quality professors with a doctorate degree may not available. I can give, they are very, very youngsters. You can see. So, that video, everything. So, this is the most important feature of it. Another most important information, it is a low cost. Only 10,000 rupees we are costing for per year. Per year, 10,000 rupees enough. So what will happen now? Even poor people can offer this 10,000 rupees. For whole subject, 200 tests you can attend, all lesson you can verify, everything. Only 10,000 rupees you can pay. So what we pay 10,000 rupees in the name of Santi, Director Vetri Coaching Center, in the Indian Bank account number 712719471, IFC code ID IB 000P134, and any doubt or any clarification, my cell number as well as WhatsApp number is 989417645. So please contact if you have doubt. So my dear students, thank you very much for kind cooperation. See you again in my next topic. Thank you.